Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with Squarespace detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your service with Squarespace, begin by visiting the Squarespace website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the settings option to access your account settings. In the settings menu, select the billing and account option. Under billing and account, locate the subscriptions section. Review your active subscriptions displayed on this page. To proceed with cancellation, click on the subscription you wish to cancel. You'll find the Cancel Subscription option at the bottom of the subscription details. After clicking Cancel Subscription, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Carefully read any information provided regarding the cancellation process. If you're ready to proceed, confirm the cancellation. After confirming, you'll receive a confirmation email about your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this notification. Keep in mind that if you are on a yearly plan, your subscription will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. You can continue to use your Squarespace site until that date. If you decide to reactivate your subscription later, you can do so at any time using your account. For any further assistance, check out the Squarespace Help Center or contact their support. This completes the process for canceling your service with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.